Hi guys, I'm Nam from Speak Thai Possible. Today we're going to learn how to write Thai consonants. The two biggest benefits of learning how to read and write Thai is you can start to understand things around you when you are in Thailand, the sign, the advertisement, or the menu at the restaurant. And the second benefit is you'll be able to pronounce what you have read correctly according to the tone rules. Before we start, let me give you introduction about Thai consonants. Thai has 42 consonants plus 2 consonants that are rarely used nowadays. Thai consonants are divided into 3 classes: high, mid, and low class. It is critical to remember consonant class of each consonant because the class always determines the tone of syllable and it helps you pronounce what you have read correctly. For Thai kids at school, they will learn all 44 consonants before learning classes. But for Thai learners who learn Thai as a second language, learning all at once could be terrifying. So I recommend to learn how to write Thai consonants class by class. In this video, we will learn how to write the 9 middle class consonants, or in Thai we call อักษรกลาง อักษรกลาง To help us recall the consonant, we do like in English. We pronounce a sound of the consonant and a related word like A apple, B bird, กอไก่ ขอไข่ Alright, now grab your pen and your notebook with lines and let's write Thai. Keep in mind that when you write the middle class consonant, you write with one stroke without lifting up your pen, and you always start from the small circle if there is one. กอไก่ กอไก่ Start from the bottom, right up, and then make like a chicken mouth, then make a curve to the right and right down. Do it one more time smaller. Variant forms of กอไก่ จอจาน จอจาน You start from a small circle in the middle, right down, then to the right, go up, and then make a curve to the left. Variant forms of จอจาน Make sure you write it with one stroke, not like this. And always start from the circle.ดอชดา ดอชดา You start from the small circle at the bottom of the line, right up, make a chicken mouth like กอไก่ a curve to the right and right down, longer than usual. Variant forms of ดอชดา Don't forget to always start from the small circle, not just put at the end like that. And also at the back, that line should be longer than normal. And that is not correct as well, not too long to the front. Tọปะตัก ตอปะตัก ตอปะตัก look very similar to ดอชดา you just need to add extra zigzag at the bottom. Start from the small circle at the bottom, right up, make a chicken mouth, and then make a curve to the right, right down, longer than normal, make one zigzag, and then kind of an oval shape. Variant forms of ตอปะตัก As always, starts from the circle. And make sure that at the bottom the zigzag is only one, not two or three. Also, the circle is outside of the line, not inside like that. And you need long tail for ตอปะตัก. ดอเด็ก ดอเด็ก You start from a circle in the middle, right down to the left, right up, and make a curve to the right and right down. Variant forms of ดอเด็ก Be careful about the position of the circle, because if you put at the wrong position, it's another alphabet that is called ควาย and always start from the small circle. ตอเต่า 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 is similar to ดอเด็ก, but you have a broken head at the top. Start from a circle in the middle, down, up, to the right, make a one zigzag and down. Variant forms of ตอเต่า Always remember the right point to start and head to the right direction and write only one stroke. (บอใบไม้ บอใบไม้ Start from the small circle at the top of the line, right down, then to the right and right up. Variant forms of บอใบไม้ Even though you start from the small circle, but make sure you don't lift up your hand. And the line is supposed to be at the back of the small circle, not at the front like that. And this is a no-go, please don't. ปอปลาปอปลาปอปลา is similar to บอใบไม้ you just need to have a longer tail at the top. So write a small circle at the top line, write down, then to the right, go up and make it longer. Variant forms of ปอปลาAs always, start with the circle and write with only one stroke. Start from the circle in the middle, write down, then to the right, right up, and then a curve to the left. Variant forms of ออ่างDon't start from the line without the circle and be careful about the position of the circle. Before leaving, I will teach you how to write one vowel so that you can make a word with the middle class consonant that we have just learned today. We will learn how to write สระอา สระ means vowel. สระอา is a R sound. Remember, in Thai, the vowel may be written before, above, below, after, or around the first consonant. For สระอา you write it after the first consonant. This is how you write สระอา It's like a cane or a walking stick of your grandpa. Variant forms of สระอา Just make sure you don't write it like number 1. Now it's your turn to practice writing this 9 middle class consonant with สระอา